Hi, my name is Mr. Pandy, and I teach advanced manufacturing here at Liberty High School in Kissimmee, Florida. This program offers students the ability to fulfill some of their passions, right? So I've had a passion of machining for over 30 years, and I like to pass that along to the students. And when they finally catch on to the ability to program, you see the sparks that, hey, they finally got it. I've seen several students leave this program and enter their prospective college and universities in engineering degrees. And so they didn't know anything about manufacturing at first, but once they accepted this program and completed the program, they love it, and so they wanted to continue. Well, if you're thinking about coming in manufacturing and you haven't taken a course such as this, I would suggest you do so. Take a course like this one, because in the manufacturing fields, there's a shortage of educated machinists. And so we really need more educated machinists in the field.